How do I charge a capacitor? To charge a capacitor, the important thing is to control the flow of energy through a resistor connected to a power source. Connect one end of the resistor or bulb to the positive terminal of the capacitor, then connect a ground wire to the negative terminal of the capacitor. Charging a capacitor can sometimes take as little as a second, and discharging can occur in a fraction of a second. To actually charge a capacitor, connect a wire from the positive terminal of the battery or power supply to the resistor or bulb, and hold it there until the capacitor is charged, which is usually indicated when the bulb dims completely. A very safe way to do this is to have a fuse between the battery and the capacitor that you can remove while you work on the wiring. Accessory capacitors are often used as storage cells in car audio to help power amplifiers that need to drive subwoofers with strong bass signals. If you want to charge a capacitor in a car audio setup with an amplifier, the wiring will be more or less similar. Instead of wiring directly to the battery and ground, you'll install the capacitor between the battery and the amplifier. The positive cable should go from the battery to the capacitor, and an additional cable should go from the positive terminal of the capacitor to the positive power terminal of the amp. On the negative side, connect the amp's negative terminal to the capacitors, then run an additional wire from the capacitor to ground. When charging a capacitor, remember the danger inherent in the process. A fully discharged capacitor is harmless. However, once charged, it can release a large amount of energy in a very short time. It's very easy to get caught off guard, so it's crucial that you never connect across both of its terminals. While car audio capacitors generally don't have enough voltage to be dangerous in dry conditions, they can be dangerous if their terminals or your hands are wet. Other high-power capacitors, including those in computer power supplies and older televisions, can be lethal if touched while charged. For more information, visit our website and subscribe to the channel. Click below.